Hey sluts, so we are back in my favorite island in the entire world, Puerto Rico, man, and I've been reflecting on some of the adventures that we've been and kind of thought of an itinerary for planning your first trip to Puerto Rico, and this would include a mix of adventurous activities and of course the beautiful beaches and insane nightlife that Puerto Rico has to offer. So this video will be a perfect guide for anyone planning their first trip to San Juan, Puerto Rico, especially if you only have 4 or 5 days to enjoy the island. First off, you'll want to fly into the capital of San Juan, where you can find tons of historic colonial districts in Viejo San Juan, plus pristine beaches, some of the most popular beaches on the island, including Isla Verde and Condado. You can definitely stay around one of these areas, especially if you want quick access to the beach. The first excursion you'll want to plan is to the famous Bacardi factory, also known as Casa Bacardi, in Cataño, Puerto Rico. It's also known as the Cathedral of Rum and is the world's largest premium rum distillery, and it produces over 85% of Bacardi's global supply, which is insane. The factory has been operating since the 1930s, so there's definitely tons of history to absorb while you're here. And you can also sign up for a mixology class and a tour of the property where you get free samples of that amazing, delicious rum drink. So definitely an experience you'll want to have while you're here in San Juan. Just be sure to pace yourself because the drinks that they give you definitely start to add up. Puerto Rico also has some of the best cuisine in the Caribbean. One of our favorite signature dishes is, of course, mofongo. And there's an endless amount of amazing bars and restaurants to choose from. But one of our favorites is actually Orozco's in Condado, so you should definitely check that out. Another place that you might come across is, of course, Luquillo. And the kioscos de Luquillo are amazing because they have so many delicious fried food and pinchos that you can have, which are incredible. So we highly recommend making a stop there. It's about 30 minutes from San Juan. And if you're not sure exactly when the best time to visit, we got you covered. I think January is probably my favorite time of year to experience the island. And of course, you get to go to the famous World Festival of La Fiesta de la Calle San Sebastián, which is a giant salsa festival. There's tons of live famous salsa and reggaeton performers performing on the stages all across Old San Juan, which you can go to, and it's just this massive party, just crazy dancing in the streets, amazing food. We highly recommend checking that out. Actually, check out another video that we did the entire experience of it, so you can see that for yourself. If you want to get off the main island and experience some of the most beautiful beaches in the world, then you have to take a ride off to one of these smaller islands. One of our favorites actually is called Cayo Icacos, which you can get to with a 20-minute boat ride from the city of Fajardo. That is about 1 hour drive from San Juan, but we highly recommend it because It has some of the clearest waters and most beautiful untouched beaches on the island. This one is a great option if you don't feel like going to the other two famous islands called Vieques, which has the brightest bioluminescent bay in the world, or Culebra, which has one of the most amazing beaches in the entire world called Flamenco Beach. So this is another great option if you want to experience some great stuff. And if you want to sign up for a real adventure, Puerto Rico is home to the United States' only tropical rainforest. So this is called El Yunque, and we signed up for a tour here where they actually pick you up and take you on this crazy hike through the mountains, basically walking through rivers, jumping off waterfalls, rock slides, the whole freaking thing, man. It is an incredible experience. We've already done this like 2 or 3 times, and it's pretty much one of my most favorite experiences to have in Puerto Rico. You can experience all the biodiversity that the island has to enjoy and offer, and yeah, it's just a really great time, especially if you want to jump off stuff and experience a true Puerto Rican adventure like no other. So we highly recommend signing up for this tour. We'll have a link in the description so you can sign up and check it out for yourself. So these are just a few of our favorite activities that we would recommend for a first timer making an itinerary to visit Puerto Rico in 4 to 5 days. So has a mix of beautiful natural landscapes, pristine beaches, and insane nightlife and delicious food. So let us know, have you been to Puerto Rico or are you interested in going? We think it is one of the most diverse and unique islands in the world, and I'm not saying that just because I'm biased. So let me know what you guys think, and if you're interested in going to Puerto Rico. Stay tuned because it is one of our favorite places in the world, and we'll have tons more adventures to this beautiful island. So we'll see you later. Peace out.